Hi. We're the team that invented the most amazing dashcam in the world.
But before we list all of its merit, let's take a look at all of the auto scammers that didn't get an Oscar.
But they sure should have. The Dashcam Oscar for the best female role goes to a crook from Russia. Look carefully at this couple. A man throws his hand on a passing car, and the girl starts grabbing her knee as if she got injured. The driver of this car was extremely lucky that the incident was recorded by a camera behind the car.
If it were not for this video, the scammers would have pulled out a lot of money because this occurred on a pedestrian crossing.
And the Dashcam Oscar for the best male role goes to Mr. Cast Iron Head. Just see what he does.
Isn't that Jackie Chan?
For the best script nomination, the unbelievable driver of this truck.
Even Hollywood couldn't come up with such a scene.
We created the Dashcam Angel so you wouldn't fall victim to such scammers.
The miracle consists of the latest technologies. So now, let's take a look at the advantages of Dashcam Angel.
Dashcam Angel belongs to the next generation of cameras. It includes unique engineering solutions and the luxury of Italian design. Dashcam Angel has several unique and useful features. Thanks to its patented mount, Dashcam Angel has perfected image stabilization, and its wide-angle lens reduces the fisheye effect. The special design of Dashcam Angel eliminates reflections and highlights in the lens. This design also prevents dust, dirt, and smoke from entering the lens. Dashcam Angel will never interfere with your view of the road. By connecting Dashcam Angel to your smartphone, you can manage the settings, watch the video, and send clips to social networks. The connection is protected with a password, which makes the camera theft protected. Working in GLONASS and GPS modes, Dashcam Angel will warn you about traffic cameras and speed limits. Thanks to an internal battery and a crash sensor, Dashcam Angel will continue recording for 10 minutes after an accident. Dashcam Angel won't block your view of the road and is legal for use in the United States and other countries. After installing Dashcam Angel, your life will change for the better.
You can protect yourself in dangerous situations, save your life and freedom.
Now your life will be like that. If Dashcam Angel is with you, you don't have to be afraid of any crooks on the road. Instead, you can make them a YouTube sensation.
Or hand them over to the police.
Don't say no to happiness. Don't let this angel pass you by. See, he goes straight to your arms. Open your heart to him.
Isn't he the one that you've been looking for?
And what if you meet a crazy or aggressive driver on the road? Who's gonna help you out? Of course, he will. Dashcam Angel. He's cooler than Superman.
And more beautiful than any other dashcam.
Just look at him. He's flying towards you, spreading his wings to protect you from every auto accident. Congratulations! Now you've got a witness to prove that little fender bender wasn't your fault. Who loves you the most?
Dashcam Angel.
Who will take care of you?
Dashcam Angel.
Get ready to meet him. He's already here. It's a bird?
It's a plane?
Hey guys, it's Angel Dashcam. Angel Dashcam.